Tonight, in a small village folded into a valley, an old baker named Theodore is rising before the sun. The world outside his window is the soft blue of an hour that has not yet decided to be morning. A thin frost has gathered on the sill, and somewhere in the dark a single sparrow is already murmuring in its sleep, dreaming perhaps of the crumbs that will come later. Theodore pulls on his soft wool slippers, ties an apron worn pale by 22 winters, and walks down the wooden stairs that creak in the same gentle places they have always creaked. He counts them without thinking. In the bakery below, the great brick oven is already warm, banked overnight, breathing out a sleepy heat that smells of yesterday's loaves and patient firewood. He greets it the way one greets an old dog, with a quiet hand laid against its side. On the long, flour-dusted table, 3 round bowls of dough have been resting since the evening before, swelling slowly under linen cloths, soft as sleeping shoulders. He lifts a corner. He smiles. He folds the dough the way his mother folded it, and her mother before her, pressing in the small, slow rhythm that has carried this village through 40,000 mornings. Outside, a single lantern is lit at the corner of the lane, casting honey-colored light onto the cobblestones. A cat sits beneath it, blinking, considering nothing in particular. A kettle on the back of the stove begins to whisper. Theodore measures water by the curve of his wrist, salt by the pinch. His fingers know without asking. He shapes 7 loaves and lays them gently into the oven, one after another, like tucking small, warm children into bed. Then he sits on the wooden stool by the window with a chipped blue cup of tea, and he waits. The sky beyond the rooftops begins, very slowly, to turn the color of pale wheat. The birds have not yet started their full song. The bread rises behind him. The lantern at the corner of the lane burns soft and steady, its small flame leaning, then settling, then leaning, then settling, until at last it grows still, and the village sleeps on.